This was my Phantom wallet balance 22 days ago, and this is my balance today. I'll show you exactly how I did it. The game is rigged. Not broken, rigged. Whales, bots, and institutions extract value while retail, people like me and you, get sold the dream. I spent months proving it, then figured out how to beat it. I started researching Solana Arbitrage in February 2025. For months, nothing worked. I lost time, paid fees, and listened to influencers promising guaranteed returns that only made them rich. I know the frustration of being lied to. Fake gurus, recycled strategies, bots sold to retail after the edge was gone. None of them cared about me. None of them care about you. Around December 2025, the mechanics finally made sense. I stopped listening to promises and started studying how the system actually works. Since then, I've roughly made $800,000 in Solana Arbitrage, consistently. I'm sharing this because I don't want this knowledge locked behind insiders anymore. Arbitrage isn't prediction. Same asset, same moment, different prices. Those differences exist because liquidity updates don't happen everywhere at once. People chase charts. Bots chase visible spreads. Fees, slippage, and bad sizing turn most trades into losses. Retail becomes exit liquidity. You're told you need ultra-fast bots. You don't. Speed only matters if you don't understand where gaps form. Most gaps last longer than people think, if you size correctly. The real breakthrough came from Google's search engine. Google doesn't guess the best page. It models how users move from page to page. Value comes from probability of flow, not prediction. Markets work the same way. A Markov chain tracks state transitions, from one liquidity state to the next. In arbitrage, every trade changes the balance of pools, which changes prices across exchanges. By modeling these states, I could calculate the probability that a price gap would appear and persist long enough to exploit. Think of it like this. Each pool is a node. Each trade moves liquidity from node to node. A Markov chain predicts how likely liquidity is to end up in a state that creates a profitable gap. I wasn't predicting price direction. I was measuring where the opportunity was likely to appear next and how much I could safely extract. This allowed me to act without chasing charts or racing bots blindly. Short-term price is chaotic. Small inputs create outsized effects. Chaos explains why gaps appear. Probabilities tell you when they're exploitable. If you size trades below liquidity stress, gaps persist. No HFT. No co-located servers. Just correct routing, sizing, and math. I didn't start with a bot. I used Jupyter as the base, simulating routes, logging outcomes, validating probabilities. Understanding first, automation second. Everything I explained is documented step by step in a book called Profiting from Solana Inefficiencies. Not hype, implementation. I break down the logic, automation flow, risk controls, and include real code snippets so you can build this yourself and turn it into serious income. This knowledge was kept quiet while insiders profited. They already had their turn. Now it's yours. Link is in the description. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Grab your copy at www.cryptotruths.store today. I've condensed everything into at most 20 pages of straight-to-the-point, practical steps to start making stable crypto income by tomorrow. I'll also be sharing more research this year to help you build serious, reliable income streams toward generational wealth.